treat yourself to a test drive in the 2018 Kia Rio. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.